Hello dancers, today we are practicing 4 simple variations for our basic step. It's a continuation of this very tutorial. If the link doesn't pop up, it will in about 3 or 2. So if you're ready, step, tap in place. Step. Today don't worry about body movement, hip movement, only steps, okay? Ready? Basic. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more basic. Cross in front basic. After this, obviously. Let's go. Cross in front again. Hover at the end, posing. Basic. Basic again. Good job. Let's go. Cross behind basic. Cross behind. Keep your steps smaller. Again, it will make your life so much easier. Cross in front. Cross behind. Basic. Remember our 2 remaining steps? We had cha-cha, where we double the timing, and we have posing, or hovering, where we do nothing at all. Let's try the cha-cha. Basic, basic, basic. Okay. Ready? Now let's do basic in place. 1, 2, 3. Let's go normal basic. 1, 2. Basic and cha-cha. A few times. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 5, 6, 7. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. Basic normal. Okay. Basic with posing. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Last time. Basic. Good. Great time to mix everything. Cross in front. 1, 2. Hover. Posing. Basic. Cross behind. Cross in front. Cross behind. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Basic. Good. Let's do hovering. Let's go. Posing. Posing. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Cross in front. In front again. Basic in place. Okay. Good. Do cha-cha. Basic and cha-cha. 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 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. Last time. Basic. Let's go. Cross behind. In front. Behind again. Posing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Posing. Cha-cha. Slide. Nice, great job. And there you go. Another weekend, another practice session over. If you're still feeling pumped, go ahead and check out an entire playlist where we practice drill a lot of different bachata moves, including isolations, waves, footwork, and even partner work. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do so. Click that notification bell so you don't miss out next time I upload a new tutorial, practice session, or a choreography. Otherwise, I will meet you in this video right now. Cheers, darlings. BachaTUyYO, signing out. Mwah.